Finally, huh? Excuse my absence. I'm sure everybody's waiting to hear. Let's do this! Dirty Smith episode 18. Been a while. So, give you guys a little update. Health-wise, everything's A-okay. I was going to do an episode a couple weeks ago, and the grinder bit my knuckle. Had to go to the ER and get some stitches. Just got back from the Center of Metal Arts class. Taught by Mr. Quinn. Did a hammer making class. Great time. A good group of guys. Everyone who attended. Fun crowd. There's about 10 people. It's a 2-day workshop. Day 1, forged the hammer. Day 2, actually made the handle. They're gearing up to do classes, so there's a link in the description to check out what they have. And they're going to be updating it all the time. And they have visitor demonstrations and then some workshops as far as hammers and tongs and pretty neat stuff. I will be writing up a little article of my experience hopefully this weekend. That's the goal. I don't know if I'm going to hit it, but I'm going to try. Other news. Pre-orders. If you ordered and on your receipt it says pre-order, that means you ordered ahead of time. We all can get what pre-order means. Mail day should be the 29th. That's the goal. If it's going to be later, I will send out a blast to let everybody know. And if you haven't heard, Mr. Dirty Smith himself is going to be demonstrating in Vermont for the New England Blacksmith Association Fall Conference. Say that 10 times fast. September 11th through the 13th. There's also a link in the description to check on. So the plan is Friday night, I'll do a 1-hour lecture, blah, blah, blah. Saturday morning, 4 hours of Dirty Smith goodness. Saturday afternoon, another 4 hours of Dirty Smith goodness. And then Sunday morning, another 4 hours. We're asking, Dirty Smith, what are you going to be demonstrating? You know, stuff, things. My plan is that first 4 hours, do some warm-up stuff. Go over the dangers of blacksmithing, standing at the anvil, holding your hammer, you know, the same spiel. And then as the day progresses, the tactics will get a little bit more complicated, a little bit more advanced, and yeah, have a lot of good stories, and should be a good time. Really looking forward to it. Rumor is there's a bluegrass band performing one of the nights. I think Friday night or Saturday night. Special thank you to Jesse Savage for putting this together. I'm going to try to bring Dirty Smith stuff. If I do bring stuff, it might be limited, but I'm going to do my best to do it, because some of you guys expressed some interest. So, health update, everything's good. So, I was going through the YouTube channels, and I noticed the comments of the videos. Now, there's a lot of good comments, and a lot of really good feedback, and I love it. You guys are watching, you're interacting, great job. I'm sorry if I can't answer everybody's question, but there are some comments that do stand out, that have me rethinking how I do the show. And as I read these, if they put it in caps lock, I'm going to put some emotional drama behind it. The first critique goes, too much lip flapping. Guess I talk too much. Number 2, your method of teaching is very easy to follow and understand. You may want to consider not having any music playing while you're talking. Excellent instructional video, but I hate the use of any background music. Wow, this guy hates background music. Wow. Number 3, you are so annoying. Yeah, it was all caps. I started off soft and, you know, bled into it. Number 5, this is actually a favorite of mine. Less talky, more wacky. Number 6, I find the music distracting. Number 7, this guy says it best. Dirty Smith, shut up and forge. So for this episode, no more talking and no more music. Just so you know what we're doing, we're gonna do snub ends, not a hay penny, snub end. So I'm not gonna be talking during this demo. Brief description. Visualize a bar. We're gonna isolate the mass, do a one-sided taper, round up the end, and then gonna start a scroll. I'm not gonna do a whole scroll. Scrolls are different. We'll do a tutorial on scroll. This is a manipulation of the material on the end of the bar. Snub ends, you're looking for straight material all the way across, where the end has a roundness to it. Being a snub end, I mean, work with me. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, and yeah. Let's do this.